My name is Austin, and today I'm going to be giving you a demo tour on the use case of my Sparklight and how you can use my Sparklight. So when you land on my sparklight.com, this is the page you're going to see. So if you scroll down, you get to see every other page and then you read more about it. So in my case, I don't have to just show so much, so I'll click on this login and sign up here. So once I click this, you automatically see it will redirect you to this page. You put in your username and password, or your email and password, as the case may be for you. Then once you click, that's if you are a new user, you click on this create account to create a free account. But if you're an existing user, you just put your username and password and you click login and then you click remember me. So subsequently, you won't have to put in your username and password every time you try to log in. So once you click login, in my case, I've already logged in, you'll be redirected to this page. So I'll say no thanks. And yeah, so once you land on this page is called your activity dashboard. So this is the dashboard where you see what is going on. You can quickly jump on courses. So we have a few marketing courses. You can start courses directly from here. Once you click here, it will take you straight to that course, and then you can start the courses directly from this particular dashboard. But in this case, I'll just go right to the use case of how you can use my Sparklight and the likes. So I'll go to my forum. So if you want to move around, so there are two ways to this. Is either you click on this menu. Once you click on this menu, you can go through this menu to navigate through. Or alternatively, if you don't want to use that menu, you can use this particular menu here. You can use this one to move around. So if you click on this one, you see that it will bring out more options. If you click on each of them have options. So once you click on it, it brings out more options. You close it and it collapses. Or alternatively, you just go to the footer and then you click and then it takes you. But in this case, let's just say I just want to go straight direct, so I'll just click right here. So this is my forum. So I'll click on it. It takes me straight into the forum. All right. So my Sparklight is a mentorship social media platform where mentors coach, nurture, and counsel mentees in the areas of business development or career advancement. So which means that a mentor can set up a mentorship program and then invite his mentees to come join his platform via his mentorship group and forum. In this case, I set up an affiliate marketing forum for affiliate marketers. So I'll just go right there. So this is the forum. The discussion side is the forum. So if I click on it, it will open the forum part where you will see the different members that are already signed in. If I click on the feed, it will show me all the discussions that has already taken place on this particular group. So the forum is loading up. So you see how this works. So on the forum, you can start a new discussion, or you can respond to existing discussion. So if I click start a new discussion, it will start a new discussion. But in this case, if say for example I want to respond, if I click on this guy's post, it automatically opens. So you can see all the members here that have posted conversations or started a conversation. So any member of this group or this forum can respond to any of these members and posts. So all you just have to do is just click on it. It will open up, and then you respond to that user's post, and then you comment, you engage, you ask questions and the likes. So this is just about that. So I can come here and I can either click reply. So if I click reply, it will reply to this particular post, or I can click subscribe. So subsequently, when other users respond to this particular post, I will get a notification, or I can favorite it. Then I can also add my courses. So if I click here on this video section, I can see the courses part. So for now, I don't have any course attached to this particular forum, so when I click on it you wouldn't see anything per se, but if I have a course attached, you will see the course showing here on this particular forum. Then this is the leaderboard. Then here I can send invite to other members to join, and yeah, this is the leaderboard of people. So you say sorry, no videos were found because I have no video added. So let me go to a typical group so you see how the courses is going to look when it is added. So here you can see chat with friends. If you click on chat with friends, you can chat with your group members on the same group, where you guys can chat as though you are on WhatsApp. And then I'm going to show you that in a jiffy. Just want to quickly show you how the courses page is going to look like before taking you down to the other side. All right, so if I click on this digital marketing courses and digital marketing forum, if I click on the digital marketing forum, I just want to show how the courses is going to look like. So which means that when a user or when a mentor starts a mentorship program via a forum like this or via groups, he can add his mentorship course to that particular group, and then the users and members of that group can actually watch that course on that group without literally going to the courses dashboard to watch it. So if I click on this course now, so I have a slow internet, so just give you a little time to load up. So when I click on this course, when I click on the course, automatically it will open the courses section in this particular forum. So you can see that I am still in the forum, digital marketing forum, and then if I scroll down, I can see the course attached to the forum, which is beginner's guide to starting a WhatsApp marketing course. So the members of this particular group can actually jump and enroll in this course. So you can when you click here, automatically to take you to start courses. So you can see that there are 8 members of this group that are enrolled in this particular course. They can start the course, and the course is for free, and it has 22 lessons. So this is just how the courses, you can see the course outlines here, and if you click on it, it will take you to the course itself, and then you can start watching the courses. You can start watching the lessons and the topics in this particular course. So this is that about that. But if I want to chat with members of this particular group, like the way I would chat on WhatsApp, if I click on messages, for example, it pops this up. You can see the digital marketing forum here. That's the digital marketing mentorship program. You can also see that there is a chat group for that. So in addition to the general chat group, users can interact with themselves via an interactive or a personal chat group. So they can either chat with themselves, or so you can see here in this particular group we have 78 participants. So there are 78 members in this group. So you can see the different interaction between other users and the like. So I could just come here, click on this and scroll, so I can read through to see the chats that every other person has had, and I could just come down and drop my own chart, and I say, okay, this user asks me how I'm doing, and I just say I'm doing great, and you. So when I click this, so here you can see that there's the emoji here. If I click the emoji, it comes out. I can attach emoji to my you can see all the different emojis here. So in this case, I'm not attaching any emoji here. I just close it. So yeah, so this is it. This is the whole idea of how. So if I go to, so there's a news feed part. If I click on this particular part on this section, it takes me straight to the news feed, where I can post with the same way you post on normal Facebook news feed. You can also post the same way on the My Sparklight platform, and then you can also see other users. You can communicate here, and those who are following you can easily see your updates and your news feed. So this is the basic use case of my Sparklight. I hope this video has been able to explain what my Sparklight is about. My Sparklight, just to summarize, my Sparklight is a mentorship platform where mentors can nurture, coach, and train mentees in any area, either in the area of business development or in the area of career advancement. So this is the general overview of what my Sparklight is all about. Thank you so much, and God bless.